Is the TV mode not working on the Geek app? If you can't enable TV mode, the feature isn't available, or streamers don't display properly on your TV or large screen, it can affect your viewing experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix TV mode on Geek app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Geek app. Then here in this page, you will click on this sign of profile on above. Then we click on this window. You'll find here TV mode, and then we click on open settings. You will allow microphone and also camera first here to allow screen or scan code. So we'll tap here only while using app, and then you can scan the code here. So this is how it works. Don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.